A backup of an Oracle Linux VM running on a VMware host has been created. In which scenario can the quick rollback option be used during a full VM restore of the VM? Migration of VM to a VMware cluster in a different data center. Not really sure what migration has to do with this, but okay. Migration of VM to Hyper-V cluster. So if you're going to different cluster, different data center here, migration-wise, what that would typically be quick migration, or it would be instant VM recovery or something like that. But there's nothing to quick roll back to, right? So here we're copying everything over to the other side. Issues caused by Oracle software updates. So here we're talking about something bad happening inside the VM. Issues caused by unexpected storage restarts. So here we're talking about something outside of the VM. Remember, quick rollback, you shouldn't use that when something bad happens outside the VM, only inside the VM. So in this case, these two are clearly distractors. This one, it's not relevant because it's a bad idea to use it. So we only have issues inside the VM, in this case, Oracle software update, as the correct answer.